Guys, this is Rubel. Welcome to this new video. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can add a scroll to top button to your website. You can add this scroll to top button to your WordPress website or in your HTML website. Just if you follow this tutorial step by step, you will be add this scroll to top button in your website very easily. So hope you guys can see I'm visiting a website. This is my client website. So client requirement is he needs a scroll to top button here. In this video I will show you actually how you can do this in your website. So let's get started. For doing this, I have just opened this website to Sublime Text Editor. This is the Hello Elementor theme. You can see this one. I've used a Hello Elementor to design this website, and Hello Elementor function PHP I've opened here, and I will use the code here because I'm going to add this scroll to top button by custom code, not any plugin. Actually, I don't recommend to use a plugin for any simple work. Okay. So for doing this, I have just keep this code here. I have already written here. If I write down this code here, it will take time and the tutorial will be long. That is why I have kept this code here. I will just copy them and paste it here. So you can see here is the CSS for this scroll top, and this is CSS, and this one is HTML, and here is JS for scroll to top button. Just save Ctrl H and let's see what happens, if it work or not. I hope it will work perfectly. Yes, hope you can see this is nice. Click here, it will go to top. So you can change this background color or icon from here. Actually, this is the background. You can change this background as your website, and this is the icon for this scroll to top button, this icon. So you can change this icon also, which icon you like you can use. Okay, so I hope you have understand actually how to use this scroll to top button in your website. I will provide this code. I will upload them into Github and I will link it to description. You can use it from there. So that's all for this tutorial. Hope this tutorial will be very beneficial for you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. So see you next video. Bye bye.